Well, hello, everybody.
But again, I know
she knows
someone.
somebody,
I
so
know
she
someone.
might be able to get them.
I might be able to get someone.
Right? That's what I was thinking.
Are you guys ready? The bring back of sunflower. And we have stopped by David's Recipe Corner to share with you some of our seasonal must-haves.
Look how sweet. Oh dear.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Don't leave anyone behind. Thank you for doing that. She's always a team player. Do you see that? This is so hot. I'm gonna hold this one. Happy Christmas in July, everyone, from our family to yours. And cheers to a nice cold glass of whatever it is you're drinking. All right, you guys.
Bye.